This simple leave-in treatment will make your hair longer and thicker. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. I'll be showing you today how I make this rosemary and cloves leave-in mist. So let's jump right into it. The first ingredients, rosemary leaves and cloves. Ensure that you wash your rosemary leaves and ensure that your cloves are also clean. I'm using like a half cup of the rosemary leaves and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cloves. I'm also using a mason jar, and I'll be going in with some oils as well to help to get this to moisturize my hair. So I'll be using Jamaican Black Castor oil, and I'll be giving you the measurements and telling you about the benefits later on. I also will be adding peppermint oil and the good old Clary Sage oil to my mist. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll add the washed rosemary leaves and cloves in a mason jar. You need an airtight container if you don't have a mason jar. And rosemary is said to stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. It strengthens hair follicles and it prevents hair loss. You can do more research on that. Cloves also contain essential nutrients to promote hair growth, such as vitamin E, zinc, and antioxidants. These two are really powerful when it comes on to growing your hair, growing back that edge, getting your hair nice and thick. Really, really good. So once you add them in the container, the next thing you'll want to do is add some hot water to this. Not cold water, really hot water you want to add to this. And be careful. So I have mine here in the plate, and I'm just going to add the hot water to it. I'm going to fill it right up, and this container can hold like 500 ml. You can see the steam coming from the measuring cup because the water is really hot. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to just mix it up a little, and then I'm going to leave it overnight because you want this, the color of this should be like dark brown the next day, right? And guys, remember, this won't work overnight, trust me, but it will definitely work if you stay consistent. You have to be consistent. So I'm covering it up here, and I'm just going to keep it in a dark spot overnight. You can leave it for, I'll say 24 hours max, because at some point you're going to want to keep this in the refrigerator, right? So this is 24 hours later, and this is the color that it should have. So now I'm just going to transfer this to the measuring cup so I can add the oils to it. So it's so simple. Just run this through a strainer to get rid of the cloves and the rosemary, and I absolutely love the smell that you get from rosemary and the cloves. Really good. Alright, so you can discard off the rosemary and cloves right now because all of that is just in the water, and that is exactly what you want, filled with protein. So I just don't like making my water like this because I find that it kind of makes my hair dry if I just add it to my hair like this. I don't know why. So I tend to add some oils that will give my hair, add extra benefits to my hair. And the first one I'll add is some Jamaican Black Castor oil. Now Jamaican Black Castor oil, it will help to moisturize and nourish your scalp. It will promote hair growth, which is what we want right now. It contains acids that will stimulate your hair follicles, etc. It prevents hair scalp infections. So this oil is really good for you to use in your mixture. You can add about 1 teaspoon and that will be enough. The next oil, guys, is Clary Sage. And Clary Sage oil, it balances the scalp oils, so it reduces inflammation and it improves blood circulation. So that will definitely help to promote the hair growth. Now, peppermint oil, as we all know it, it boosts blood flow to the scalp, it stimulates hair growth, and it gives you that nice tingly feeling. You can add about 5 or 6 drops of the peppermint oil, and then you just mix everything around. Then it's that simple. It will be time for you to transfer this to your spray bottle, and all I'll be using is just this clean spray bottle. Ensure that your spray bottle is nice and clean. I'll just use a funnel to transfer the water into my spray bottle. And can you believe it is that simple to make something that is so good for your hair? So I'm just going to shake this up right now, and I'm going to rest this in the refrigerator. Ensure you keep this in the fridge, guys. Keep this in the fridge because it will go bad. You can keep this in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. Yeah, so this is a spray. It's like I'm like a week into using it. So I'm not going to tell you that magic has happened for my hair, but it really keeps my hair nice and moisturized. My hair is freshly washed even though twists are in it, but all you need to do is spray it all over your hair. Make sure to get it everywhere. And just rub it in, and it smells amazing. Smells really good. I should have shown you my edges before. I'm not sure if you saw them before, but I think between this and the other stuff I'm using in my hair, my edges are coming back. But yeah, that's all that you do. Just spray it in your hair like this, and you can massage it in. Yeah. So as I mentioned, consistency is the key, so stay consistent with this and you will see the result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing. Until next video.